Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play 3 blind mice on recorder. We will begin by learning the first 3 essential notes, B, A, and G. To play B, cover the thumb hole and the first finger hole. For A, cover the thumb hole and the first 2 finger holes. Finally, for G, cover the thumb hole and the first 3 finger holes. Practice these positions until they feel comfortable and natural. Now, let's tackle the first part of the melody. This phrase uses only the notes B, A, and G that we just learned. You will play the sequence B, A, G, B, A, G. Remember to hold each note for 1 full beat, ensuring a consistent rhythm. Take your time and focus on making each note sound clear and distinct before moving on. Next, we introduce a new note, F sharp. To play F sharp, cover the thumb hole, along with the first, second, third, and fifth finger holes. The second part of the melody is G, 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 F sharp, F sharp, F sharp. This requires a bit more finger coordination. Practice transitioning smoothly between G and F sharp, aiming for a clear and even tone for each of the 6 notes. Finally, let's put both phrases together to play the complete 3 blind mice melody. The full sequence is B, A, G, B, A, G, followed by G, 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 F sharp, F sharp, F sharp. Remember to maintain a steady tempo and clear articulation for every note. With practice, you will be able to play this classic tune smoothly and confidently on your recorder. Keep practicing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.